2004 American IronHorse LSC. Price, $7,000. Mileage, less than 1,500 miles. Location, Beckley, West Virginia. Own a rare gem with this 2004 American IronHorse LSC, a stunning custom bike that originally cost over $35,000 but is now available at $7,000. With under 1,500 original miles, this machine rides and runs flawlessly, delivering smooth power and classic chopper style. Its low mileage and clean West Virginia title make it a standout for collectors and riders alike. Built for comfort and performance, this IronHorse is perfect for anyone looking for a custom chopper with bold presence and timeless appeal. The seller is open to trades for other Harleys or Indian motorcycles, offering flexibility for enthusiasts seeking their next dream ride. Located in Beckley, West Virginia, this LSC is ready to hit the road and turn heads. 2014 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited Roadsmith Trike Kit with Trailer. Price, $27,500. Mileage, 12,758 miles. Location, Huntsville, Alabama. Ride in ultimate comfort. And style with this 2014 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited, upgraded with a Roadsmith Trike kit and complete custom trailer. Originally purchased new, this bike was professionally converted by DC Racing, ensuring a smooth, reliable three-wheel experience, with expert support from David Crane if needed. With 12,758 miles on the odometer, this Electra Glide combines Harley's legendary touring comfort with the stability of a trike, making it perfect for long-distance adventures or weekend cruising. Our dream is simple, just 1,000 subscribers. Every click, every share, every bit of support brings us closer to creating the videos we love for you. Thank you for standing with us on this journey. 1997 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. Price, $5,500. Mileage, 9,800 miles. Location, Goodlettsville. Tennessee. Experience the thrill of riding this 1997 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200, a custom-tuned powerhouse finished in striking purple. With a freshly rebuilt engine, including ported and flowed heads, this bike delivers smooth, responsive power for an exhilarating ride. Its manual transmission and classic Sportster handling make it perfect for both cruising and spirited rides. 1997 Honda Rebel. Price, $1,500. Mileage, 1,150 miles. Location, Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Cruise in style. with this 1997 Honda Rebel, a lightweight, reliable motorcycle perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a simple, fun ride. Finished in bright yellow, this Rebel is easy to spot on the road and comes with new tires and a fresh battery, ensuring dependable performance from the moment you take the handlebars. With just 1,150 miles and only 2 previous owners, it's in great condition and ready to provide smooth, effortless rides. 1974 Honda CB Cafe Racer. Price: $3,800. Mileage: 800 miles. Location: Richmond. Virginia stepped back in time with this 1974 Honda CB, a classic cafe racer built for style and nostalgia. Finished in vibrant orange, this bike exudes vintage charm and old-school racing aesthetics. With only 800 miles on the odometer, it's a low-mileage gem for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own a piece of motorcycle history. Powered by a reliable manual transmission, it offers the authentic riding feel of a 1970s Honda. While the speedometer currently needs attention, a brand new replacement is included, making it a perfect project for restoration or customization. 1997 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom. Price: $8,000. Mileage: 11,000 miles. Location: Round Lake Beach, Illinois. Turn heads with this 1997 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom, a true testament to custom motorcycle craftsmanship. Finished in vibrant red, this bike features a powerful SNS engine upgrade paired with a manual transmission, delivering raw power and smooth control for an exhilarating ride. With 11,000 miles and multiple owners, this Softail has been well maintained and is ready for the road. 2016 Redneck Engineering Hidden Shock Chopper. Price: $16,000. Location: Raleigh, North Carolina. Condition: used like new. Turn heads with this 2016 Redneck Engineering Hidden Shock Chopper, a bold and meticulously crafted machine designed for riders who demand style, power, and precision. This one-owner chopper comes with a clean title and has been fully updated with brand new chain, sprockets, and rear tire, making it ready to ride immediately. Finished in House of Colors Candy Pagan Gold with translucent flames and featuring a West Coast Chopper's Villain gas tank, a massive 23-inch front wheel, and a 250 rear tire, this bike is pure custom artistry. 2006 Big Dog Mastiff. Price: $7,600. Mileage: 11,580 miles. Location: Ridgeway. Virginia own a piece of custom motorcycle excellence with this 2006 Big Dog Mastiff, finished in striking burgundy and built for both performance and presence. Powered by a reliable manual transmission, this Mastiff delivers smooth handling and a deep, rumbling exhaust note that commands attention wherever it rides. With 11,580 miles, this bike has been well cared for and runs flawlessly, combining Big Dog's signature aggressive styling with a comfortable ride-ready setup. Perfect for riders who appreciate craftsmanship, power, and head-turning looks, this Mastiff in Ridgeway, Virginia is ready to hit the road and make every ride unforgettable. 2003 Honda Shadow Spirit 750. Price: $1,850. Mileage: 22,541 miles. Location: Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Experience classic cruiser vibes with this 2003 Honda Shadow Spirit 750, finished in sleek blue and designed for smooth, reliable rides. Equipped with a manual transmission, this bike offers full control and a responsive, enjoyable riding experience. With 22,541 miles, it comes in great running condition and includes extras such as a seat and an additional tire, making it perfect for both daily riding and weekend adventures. Ideal for riders seeking a dependable, stylish motorcycle that combines Honda's legendary reliability with classic cruiser appeal. Located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. 2006 Thunder Mountain Blackhawk Chopper. Price: $8,200. Location: Dunedin, Florida. Condition: used good. Hit the road in style with this 2006 Thunder Mountain Blackhawk Chopper, a true head-turner built for riders who crave performance and custom flair. Powered by a 103 Screaming Eagle engine, this bike delivers powerful acceleration and a commanding presence on the road. Finished with custom paint, fitted with excellent tires, a reliable battery, and meticulously serviced every 6 months, it's a turnkey motorcycle ready to ride immediately. With careful maintenance and weekend rides, this chopper combines reliability, style, and raw power, making it perfect for anyone looking for a standout cruiser in the Dunedin, Florida area. 2004 West Coast Chopper CFL. Price: $17,500. Location: Leesburg, Georgia. Condition: used good. Own a piece of custom motorcycle history with this 2004 West Coast Chopper CFL, a factory-built chopper that combines performance, style, and classic WCC design. Powered by a 96 CI Purse Performance motor, it delivers strong, reliable power for cruising or spirited rides. Built on a 4-up, 2-out frame, this chopper rides smoothly while turning heads at every stop. Well-maintained and ready to go, it's perfect for collectors or riders seeking an authentic West Coast chopper experience. Located in Leesburg, Georgia, this CFL is a striking blend of performance and iconic style. 2007 Big Dog Motorcycles K9 Limited Edition. Price: $13,500. Mileage: 3,900 miles. Location: Phoenix City, Alabama. Experience the rare and powerful 2007 Big Dog K9 Limited Edition, a striking black chopper built for enthusiasts who demand performance and style. With only 3,900 miles, this low-mileage beauty features a manual transmission and showcases Big Dog's signature aggressive design and attention to detail. A true collector's item, the K9 Limited Edition turns heads wherever it rides, offering a smooth, commanding ride and standout aesthetics. Well-maintained and ready for the road, this bike in Phoenix City, Alabama is perfect for riders looking for a rare, high-quality Big Dog chopper with both performance and collectible value. 2013 Redneck Homemade Chopper, Hardtail Custom. Price, for $1,000. Mileage, 2,000 miles. Location, Plymouth, Wisconsin. Up for sale is a 2013 Redneck-powered homemade chopper, a true one-of-a-kind hardtail build with just 2,000 miles on it. This bike is built for the rider who appreciates custom craftsmanship, raw styling, and the thrill of riding something unique that can't be found at a dealership. The heart of this chopper is its Redneck engine, delivering strong power and reliability. Paired with a manual transmission, it provides the pure, old-school chopper experience. Minimalist design, no frills, just you and the road. The hardtail frame gives it that authentic custom stance, while the green finish sets it apart with a bold look. Custom Chopper, Venom/Spider-Man Edition. Price, $8,000. Mileage, less than 200 miles. Location, Lumberton, North Carolina. For sale is a one-of-a-kind custom chopper, featuring a striking Venom/Spider-Man theme. Powered by an 80 cubic inch Evolution engine, this bike has barely been ridden with under 200 miles on the odometer, making it practically brand new. Its unique custom paint and detailing make it a true collector's piece, while the Evo engine ensures smooth and reliable performance on the road. The bike shows a few minor scratches, but is otherwise in excellent condition, ready to ride or showcase in your collection. Every curve and accent has been carefully crafted, giving this chopper an unmistakable presence wherever it goes.